friends, my name is Lexman. I am 11 years old. Today I'll present a story. The title is The Hungry Dragon. Deep in the mountains lives a dragon. Every 100 years he wakes up. He is very hungry. I want some breakfast, said the dragon. He went down the mountain to the village. He saw a boy. Yum, a boy for breakfast. Please don't eat me, said Xia. I'll give you some food. Xia took the dragon to his house. He ate 3 plates of chicken and rice. I'm still hungry, said the dragon. Xia gave the dragon more food. He ate 3 plates of noodles and 10 sausages. He was still hungry. The dragon ate 20 meatballs, 50 fish balls with 12 plates of sticky rice. After that, he ate 6 pudding and a cake. He was still hungry. Xia took the dragon to the shop. The dragon ate all the fruit and vegetables, mangoes and cabbages, tomato and beans. He was still a bit hungry. Xia looked in his pocket. He saw a seed. He gave the seed to the dragon. The dragon ate the seed. Boom! The dragon exploded. Hooray! Shouted Xia. No more boys for breakfast. The moral of this story is don't be greedy. Thank you.